Benny was a small bear with a very big heart and a very bright red balloon. He took his balloon everywhere, from the honey patches to the babbling brook. It was his favorite thing in the whole wide world. One morning, a playful breeze began to dance through the forest. Whoosh went the wind. Before Benny could tighten his grip, the string slipped right through his furry paws. The balloon drifted higher and higher until, snap, it got caught on a pointy branch at the very top of a tall, old oak tree. Benny looked up and sighed. He was much too short to reach it. Benny tried to jump. He hopped and he popped, but he couldn't get high enough. Just then, Meeko the raccoon scurried out from the bushes. "Don't be sad, Benny. I am a very good climber," Meeko said with a twitch of his nose. Meeko scrambled up the rough bark of the oak tree. He climbed past the low branches and the middle branches. But as he got near the top, the wood became thin and began to bend. "Oh dear," Meeko squeaked. "I am too heavy for these tiny twigs." Meeko climbed back down to the ground. He and Benny sat under the tree and thought very hard. "I can climb and you can jump," said Meeko. "But we need someone with a very long reach." They decided to visit the river, where they found Tembo the elephant. Tembo was the strongest and tallest animal in the woods. "Tembo, my balloon is stuck," Benny explained. "Will you help us?" Tembo gave a happy trumpet and nodded his big head. Tembo followed his friends back to the tall oak tree. Meeko rode on Tembo's wide, gray shoulder, pointing the way. They made a great team, walking together through the tall green grass. When they reached the tree, Tembo had a clever idea. He stood very still and stretched his long, powerful trunk high into the air. Meeko scrambled up Tembo's trunk like it was a sturdy ladder. With one final stretch from Tembo and one quick reach from Meeko, the raccoon grabbed the red balloon. He carefully unhooked the string and began to climb back down to his waiting friend. Benny was so happy to have his balloon back. He gave Tembo a big hug around his sturdy leg. "Thank you, Tembo. And thank you, Meeko." Benny cheered. "I couldn't have done it without you." The three friends spent the rest of the day playing in the meadow. Benny realized that even a big problem is easy to solve when you have friends to help you. Together, they were the best team in the forest.